So first we're going to be talking about logs, and right now I have written down log 2 to the 8th, and then that equals 3, and that is because 2 times 2 times 2 equals 8. So in the next example we have log 3 to 81, and that equals 4 because 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 is equal to 81, and that is the answer for that equation. So with the next type of equation, we have log and then x squared over x3. And the way this would be set up is a minus sign, and then the exponents would be in front, which would be the base in front of the logs. So the first thing you do is we write down log, and then it's subtraction because it's over a division symbol. And then the next step you're going to do is you're going to want to write out everything. So write out log x squared and then write out log w. And then you're going to want to continue on from there and do the same thing. Log y plus log z to the third power. Then you're going to want to change the exponents into bases. So you're going to put, in the problem before it says log to the second power, so you're going to put to the second power in front of the log. Then the next step is that you're going to change the plus sign to a negative sign. And then put the log z to the third power. You're going to put the 3 in front of the log.
Funniest moment of my life.
Where do I go?
And on Robin's, like on you can make a left.
So now we're going to be talking about the population in Beverly Hills, which is 500,000. And the way you set up this equation is that was the population in the 1990s, so it grows 2.4%, 500,000, plus 0.024, and then put in parentheses 500,000. Then what you're going to do is put 500,000 beneath that, and then write out 1.024 to the second power. Y is supposed to represent the population in X's number of years. So if Marissa invests $300 in a bank and offers 5% compounded interest, then the way you would set this up is you do 300 times 1.05. If you're solving this on your calculator, you press Y1 on your calculator and then you plot 1.05 to the power of x. So you would press Y equals, and then you would plug in the variables that follow. So you're going to write down the equation, and then you're going to divide it by 300, and then it's 2 because that's the number of years annually. So you write log 2 and then put it over log and then 1.05, and then it equals to 14, and then you round it to the nearest hundred. So the painkiller Advil has 500 mg per pill. So if you take 2 capsules, it's 1,000 mg. And it wears off every 2 hours, so it would be at 640 every 2 hours. And every 2 hours, the lifespan is cut in half. So if you're at 1,000, when you cut it in half, then you'll be at 500. And to get so the medication wears off every 2 hours. So it would take about 6 hours for it to reach a period where they would have to take another pill for the medication to still work.
Girl problems, I feel bad for you, son. I got 99 problems, but a bitch ain't one. I got the rap patrol on the cat patrol. Foes that want to make sure my casket's closed. Rap critics saves money, cash holes. I'm from the hood, stupid. What type of facts are those? If you grew up with holes in your zap of toes, you celebrate the